Conquering Faulty Parallelism, an English grammar adventure. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode on our journey through English grammar. Today, we're going to delve into the world of conjunctions, specifically focusing on parallelism. One common hurdle many learners encounter in this area is faulty parallelism. Let's demystify this topic together. Parallelism is a powerful tool in English that helps you create balance and rhythm in your sentences. It occurs when you use similar grammatical forms or structures in parts of a sentence that are logically or grammatically equivalent. Think of it as putting items in the same format or pattern. Here's an example. She loves reading, writing, and painting. Here, the three activities are all in the ing form, creating a harmonious flow to the sentence. Now, what happens when parallelism goes wrong? We get what is called faulty parallelism. This is when we do not maintain a consistent grammatical form in a series or list, making the sentence awkward or confusing. Let's take a look at a faulty example. He enjoys biking, to swim, and hikes. Notice how the three activities are expressed differently, disrupting the smooth flow. Fixing faulty parallelism is usually a matter of making sure each item in your series or list follows the same grammatical pattern. Let's correct our faulty example. He enjoys biking, swimming, and hiking. Now, each activity is expressed in the ing form, restoring the parallelism and making the sentence easier to read and understand. The best way to master parallelism is through practice. Pay attention to the sentences you read or write, checking for parallelism in lists and series. With enough practice, recognizing and avoiding faulty parallelism will become second nature. That wraps up our exploration of faulty parallelism today. With this knowledge in your grammar toolkit, you're now equipped to create smoother, more rhythmic English sentences. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering parallelism. Keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, happy studying.